Hello student, today we are studying this class third P subject GK and date is 9/1/2021. Today we are studying today last time we studied about the life in water and about the toy trains. Today we are going to study lesson 21 documents we need. Lesson 21 and documents we need. Documents we need. Lesson 21. Now page number 31. Now see page number 31. Documents we need. In our daily life, we use a number of important documents that should be kept safely as they contain our personal details. Identify the documents. So, one is a driver keeps it with his oblique him while driving a vehicle. What is the name of this document? This is driving license. So first document is driving license. Driving license. Driving license. Now second you see it is used to settle bills without paying in cash. Without paying in cash. This is credit card. Second one is credit card. Credit card. Now what document you see here? During the time of election, every voter carries it to the polling booth. Its name is voter ID card. It is voter ID card. And fourth, it is the most important. It is the most important document. Anyone who goes out of his or her country has to carry it always. That is called as passport. That is called as passport. Now fifth, it prescribe a prescribed amount of food grains is given to those families who have this card. Which have this card. This is ration card. It is ration card. And now six, you see six document. Whenever you deposit or withdraw money from your the bank, you have to get it updated to check the balance in your account. So that is it is given the passbook of PNB. So this is the passbook. This document is called as the passbook. This document is passbook. We can add 7 here. 7. This smart card has been issued in order to identify each and every citizen of India. This is Aadhaar card. And 8, it carries the details of amount you need to pay for electricity consumption every month. This document is electricity bill. So once again we can see now open this page, and our driver keeps it with him while driving a vehicle. This is called as this document is driving license. Now next, it is used to settle bills without paying cash. This document is credit card. Now third, during the time of election, every voter carries it to the polling booth. This is called the voter ID card. And fourth, you see, it is the most important document. Anyone who goes out of his or her country has to carry it. This is passport. And fifth, a prescribed amount of food grains is given to those families who have prescribed. This is ration card. And 6, you see, whenever now 6, whenever you deposit or withdraw money from your bank, you need to go it update to check the balance in your account. That is called as a passbook. And 7, this smart card has been issued in order to identify each and every citizen in Now next, it carries the details of amount you need to pay for electricity consumption every month. So this document is electricity bill. So that's for today. Thank you.